Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Beacons.ai. Beacons.ai is known for being one of the best link in bio platforms, but it also offers other features. For example, once you're on Beacons.ai, if you were to hover over apps in the top left-hand corner, you can see that it not only offers a link in bio landing page, but you can also use their link shortener. You can also access their QR code generator, and you have the income dashboard, the W-9 generator, and also the early pay, as you can see right here. So it offers numerous features, and all of these features are available for completely free. All you will need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you are going to tap on sign up, or you can tap on get started. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and here you'll be able to choose your username. So let me see if simple answers is available. So I'll do that right here. Then you're going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you're going to enter your name, and you're going to enter your email address. Then you're going to create a password. So let's create a password real quick. Then tap on I'm not a robot. After you have done that, you are going to tap on create account. Once you have tapped on create account, you'll be redirected to this page, welcome to Beacons. Then all you have to do is scroll down, and you are going to give it a few seconds, and then you'll be redirected to your new dashboard. So just give it a few seconds while it loads up. You can see right here, let's get started with your social accounts. So from here, you'll be able to, for example, add your TikTok username, your Instagram username, your Twitter username, and you can also add your YouTube handle, and you can add your Twitch handle. After doing that, you can tap on next right there. And then from here, you can choose the different niches that you're interested in. What type of content do you create? And from here, you can choose the different type of contents that you create. So let's say, for example, I'm in the health niche. Then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, what's your main goal today? Whether you'd like it to use it for creating a link in bio, to send emails to fans, to create and sell products, to pitch and win brand deals, you can select any one of these options. But let's say for this example, we want to use it to create and sell products. We'll tap on that, then select next. After you have done that, you can create a digital product, or you can create an appointment, or you can set up your first link in bio. So we'll tap on create a digital product, then tap on next. After you have done that, you can choose to import your digital product. If you have created it already, you can simply enter the link, for example, your Etsy link, your Shopify link, or Gumroad. And that's the beautiful thing about Beacons.ai. It is easy to integrate different platforms. Or you can choose to create from scratch, then tap on next right here. After you have done that, you can see right here, themes that drive sales. And from here, you can simply scroll down. And once you have chosen a theme that you like, you'll tap on next at the bottom of the page. Then once you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is name your product in the left hand corner. Then you can also set your price. After doing that, you are going to tap on next again at the bottom of the page. Then you'll be able to upload your image or upload your video. Then you are going to tap on next. After you have done that, you can add your description right here. Then you'll tap on next again, and from here you'll be able to upload your digital product. So you can see last step, upload files to send to your buyers. So you can simply tap on upload file, or if you would like to add via URL, you can do that. Then you are going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Then you can see that they are building out your product and adding it to your link in bio. Once it is finished, you are going to see the option Great, go to my store, and you are going to tap on that. After doing that, you can continue with the free plan, as you can see right here. And with the Beacons free plan, you'll be able to get unlimited sales, mobile optimized one-click checkout, automated review collections, sell any digital products, low 9% platform fee per transaction. So they'll be able to take 9% of each sale that you make. So you'll tap on not right now. Then you are going to be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can tap on the X in the top right hand corner. And if in the future you would like to add a new product or you would like to offer appointments, you can do that by simply tapping on new product right here. If you would like to offer appointments, you could tap on appointments, then tap on new product. If you would like to offer locked links, you can do that also. If you would like to sell audio files, for example, your music or so on, you can do that. You can also sell exclusive videos or images by simply tapping on exclusive image/video, then tapping on new product right here. And if in the future you would like to do some email marketing, you can also do that on the Beacons platform. All you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on email marketing. Then from there, you'll see the option, your welcome email is the most important email you'll send. And you can simply scroll down, then tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you'll be able to personalize your email platform, your landing page, as you can see right here. So you can choose the theme that you'd want. After choosing the theme, you can scroll up and you will see how it looks on the right hand corner. Then you'll tap on next again. After you have tapped on next, from here you'll be able to edit it some more. So you can edit the general welcome, or if you would like to give thanks to your fans, you can do that. Or if you would like to promote a product, you could do that. Or if it is a case that you want a landing page to share content, you can also do that by tapping on share content. Then you'll simply tap on done, and that's it. And again, you can create other stores by tapping on store right there. And you can also tap right where you see link in bio from the left hand menu option. And from there, you can see how it looks at the moment. And if you would like to share or get your link, all you have to do is tap on share right there. And you'll be able to get your link that you'll be able to share on any social media platform. And you can see how my landing page looks at the moment. This is it. And you can change the design by tapping on design at the top of the page right here. You can also get insights by tapping on insights. You'll be able to track your analytics and so on. And you can also edit the settings by tapping on settings right here. So you can do that if you want. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And as you can see, you can also add different pixels right here if you want. And thanks for watching. And if you would like to access even more apps using Beacons, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on explore more apps, and you can see the different options right here.